Okay, so I just have my product now, but should I ship it by air or just have Christopher Columbus bring it over by boat? I don't know. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know, my name is Giorgio Valenton. I am an Amazon private label seller, and in this video, I will be discussing which shipping option would be best for you. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this video. And just understand, in this video, it's going to be one of the most complicated subjects out there, which is shipping. So yes, shipping, but I will make it easy for you because it is simple and people make it more complicated than what it really is. And this is why, okay? The thing is that yes, you could hire a customs broker and they could do your customs HDS code classification, pay your customs duties. You could pay to get someone to get you a pallet, cover your pallet, put it into a container. Then you could get a freight forwarder to pick it up from the port and essentially to go ahead and sending it to Amazon. And listen, you don't have to do that. That's difficult. And I highly suggest you do not do that. And this is what you would need to do. Go to your supplier and just let them handle your situation, especially because my audience are beginner Amazon sellers. And listen, if you're just getting started, if you're barely getting started with your first product, your second product, your third product, everything that I just said, it's not applicable to you. If you are a big time seller where you're ordering 5,000 units, then yes, you may need that because you will be saving hundreds of dollars. But as a new seller, all you really need to know is that whether you do air or sea shipping, the most important thing you need to do is get door-to-door shipping. I don't care what it is or what they give you. You need to make sure that your supplier, you tell your supplier that you want it door-to-door shipping. So essentially what that is, it's getting from point A and going straight to point B. And with shipping, depending on air or sea, when it ships in, it goes into a specific place, such as the port or wherever, the airport, and someone has to pick that up. And if you don't tell your supplier that you want door to door, they're just going to ship it there, and then you would have to do the rest, getting a freight forwarder, getting it cleared by customs. And look, that's a hassle. So you just want your supplier to go with their shipping company and have them take care of everything for you. So especially if you're shipping less than 400 pounds, if you are shipping less than 400 pounds, go with air shipping because it won't be as costly. It only gets more costly when you get above that and you would start to needing to get pallets. And that's where you would want to consider sea shipping because you will significantly save money. And I know a lot of people ask me, what's the right amount of what your shipping cost should be for your total order? And you know, there's really not a rule of thumb because every product is different. Every product weighs differently. But for me, in my experience, I've had it where the shipping cost between $1 to $1.50 per unit on shipping through air. And when you contact your supplier, what you want to do is get sea shipping door to door and air shipping door to door. And if the door to door sea shipping is about 3 to 4 times less than the air shipping, then you know that you're getting a good deal for the sea shipping. So essentially, what you need to do is if you get your sea shipping price and you times that by 3 or 4, if it's between that range and that's your air shipping costs, then it should be okay from my experience. But if you seek the sea shipping and they're timesing that by, let's say, 6 for air shipping, then you may want to reconsider doing air shipping because that may be a little too expensive. And what you can also do with your suppliers is getting say, let's just say you order 500 units. You could go ahead and get 100 units air shipped and then getting the rest sea shipped, so which saves you money on shipping. And the reason why you would want to do this is because instead of everything coming in at once, you could start building your listing, getting your traction, start selling products. So as you build momentum, you're having your orders shipped in from sea and you already have inventory in. Instead of having to wait for everything to come in, this is a great technique to use, and this is something that I have used as well. But if there's one thing that you would want to gain out of this video is that, listen, just do door-to-door shipping, okay? It's a lot easier. Have your supplier take care of it. And listen, if you are buying 5,000, 10,000 units, then hey, maybe getting your own freight forwarder would be best. And this is just a different video for that, but this is just for the beginners. And for those who are just getting started or have already started but kind of wanting to see exactly my experience with shipping, that is the best, door-to-door shipping. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe. And if you haven't started with Amazon, get started now.